Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Srinivas Nature Clicks. In this video, I will take you to Velavadar National Park in Gujarat. This is the Google Earth picture. It is located in the state of Gujarat, 40 kilometers away from Bhavnagar. It takes around 1.5 hour drive from Bhavnagar. This is the picture of me at the start of my safari. Velavadar National Park. It cost around 2500 rupees. It was not so cold February morning. Blackbucks are seen enjoying eating fresh grass. First on the grass side, we are welcomed by grey francolin birds. This is the video from my Instagram account. Francolins are also known as teethers in Hindi, are common in grassland. Call, melodious call. A beautiful Siberian stone chart was sitting on the thorn tree. Males are colorful. It comes all the way from Siberia. During winters. Females are not that colorful. As morning started, Blackbuck's head was moving along the road, and larks was the commonest species in the grasslands, and I was lucky to spot crested lark. I could get a good video of it. This is the crested lark with a crest on its head. The color well blends with the color of the grassland, and it is difficult to spot them. This is the eagle sitting on the tree looking for the prey. This beautiful bird is called bayback shrike, also known as butcher bird. It looks beautiful, but it is known for butchering capabilities, where it will throw its prey to thorns. This is steppy seagull, and this is black-shouldered kite. Kites, eagles, hawks, common in grassland. This is a group of silverbills eating the grass seeds. These are all the sceneries from Velavadar. I focused only on birds. The Baya viewer birds viewed the nest and they left. And after finishing, we moved to wetland part. We came across a common egret looking for fish. And finally, we reached the other side of the road. We were welcomed by darters and kingfishers. I could spot huge numbers of pelicans and painted storks. The large birds with long legs are painted storks. The pelicans will have usually the pouch which they will scoop out the water to catch fish. They are seen sliding on the water. Velavadar is home to many species of pelicans, painted storks. It helps to maintain good number of this rare species, rare migrant from Europe. Group of pelicans flocking together, making the soft landing on water. They're all wary of our presence. That's the end of the wetland, and at the entrance of the Blackbuck National Park, we spotted white-cheeked bulbul. It is very different from common bulbuls we will see, red-vented bulbul, etc. White-cheeked bulbuls are very rare, and it is seen only on forest sites. There's a pair of common crane with its family. They are seen with black bucks grazing together. These are all the beautiful scenes from Velavadar National Park. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.